name is Caitlin. I'm one of the environmental educators at Robinson Nature Center. I wanted to talk to you all for a minute about our American toad here. And American toads have some really cool adaptations, and this guy is no exception to that. So, one really cool adaptation that most amphibians have is that they're able to breathe in a bunch of different ways. So, they're able to breathe when they're really little. They're able to breathe through gills when they're tadpoles. So, they live underwater, and gills are kind of both an external and internal structure at the same time. They're able to pull that oxygen from that water. They're able to breathe through lungs just like we are, so that's a fully internal structure. And they're also able to breathe through their skin. So they need to stay in an area where it's nice and wet because that's part of how they breathe. So if they weren't able to breathe, they would be able to survive. So breathing is incredibly important to them, just like it is to us. Another cool structure about toads is their parotid gland. So I'm going to show it to you. It's this bean-shaped bump right behind the eyeballs there. And it stores kind of some toxins in there. So if he were to be, if a predator were to try to eat him, that would make him taste very disgusting and would also give that predator a good stomach ache. So most animals won't really eat toads because they taste bad and it would make them pretty sick. So this helps him to survive because it helps him to escape from predators. So those are some cool adaptations or things that would help this toad survive if he lived in the wild. So have a great day!